Hi, Group 2 and 3. Here are your words for your spelling test. Number 1 is super. I was super impressed with how we walked down the hallway. Super. Number 2 is supper. I kept asking my mom what was for supper. She said we were having spaghetti. Supper. Number 3 is diner. My favorite type of restaurant is a diner because they serve the best breakfast food. Diner. Number 4 is dinner. I forgot to cook food, so I think I will order out for dinner. Dinner. Number 5 is penny. I found a penny heads up on the ground. Penny. Number 6 is busy. I am very busy doing my homework after school. Busy. Number 7 is even. Did you know the number 4 is an even number? Even. Number 8 is tiny. I can't believe how tiny the baby is. Tiny. Number 9 is rabbit. When I was walking home, I saw a rabbit eating grass. Rabbit. Number 10 is letter. During cursive time, please practice the letter C. Letter. Number 11 is crazy. Did you see the game last night? That last play was crazy. Crazy. Number 12 is tiger. For my research project, I am learning facts about a tiger. Tiger. Number 13 is later. Later in the day, we will have math and science. Later. Number 14 is open. Please open your math books to page 20. Open. Number 15 is a surprise word. Your surprise word is puppy. I'm so excited. My friends just got a new puppy. Puppy.